instant. What is the meaning of instant? If a white man say instant, immediately come and take it and go. And then what is the meaning of instant? Jinahoji. Say Queen say Jinahoji wo ba ya na wapa wadi say I don't have a store. What you ask kana what they ko. Obi a man adwene da ko everybody to let him man to come on me. I want to show the whole world the meaning of it. Just go inside well. This is a silver. And I want the world to know the meaning of instant. If you need instant money, come and take it and go. This our work doesn't want dirty. But some of our people and spiritual leaders, they will take and go, they will go outside and go and pick and shower people and come and put inside their room. How can a spirit collect you? A spirit cannot collect you, and the spirit doesn't want dirty. The spirit doesn't want something called maybe something that can spoil your business. Something that can spoil your work. And you will bring it. You will go and carry a shower woman for your room. And you are making sex with her. And plenty of ladies are outside. Won't you go and friend them? Let me show the world something small. And you see the meaning of instant. When the useless one came to NTV the last week ago, he was mentioned his name is Nana Obuafo. You wait and see. You will see what will happen to you. Useless man. You was taking my name to see people collecting their properties. See, when you cook a food within 30 minutes time or 1 minute time, the food is all right. As of now, my God, they finish what they have been doing. The food is okay for me. Okay, I wanted to show the world the meaning of instant. When they say instant, means Jinaho Neji. Stand and collect and go. Cameraman, with the power camera, mommy. We have something calling counterfeit. This one is real dollars. $100 is how much? This time dollar go top. So when you need dollar, plan and come to me, and your life and your destiny will change for you. I am the only person who can let your life to change for you. I am the only person. If you need money, something that they call it spiritual money, something that they call it spiritual money. If you need it, you run away and come to me, and your life and your destiny will change for you. Who is chief of work for? I am the only person for Northern region, Ghana here. Nobody will be try. If you go to South Africa, my name collect everywhere in South Africa there. Because I am a spiritual man and everybody trusts me, everybody believe what I can do. Everybody know the meaning of powers. When they call power, the king of powers. I am the only king of powers in Northern region. Nobody who go fit try. When they say king of powers, come to me. I am the one who was holding the key of the powers. When you come to me, your life and your destiny will change for you. I want the whole world to know the meaning of instant. If you just come to me, I will know how to do and change your life for you. I will know how to do and let your life to change for you. I am holding the key for the money. If you want dollars, I am the only one who can let your life to change for you. You run away and come to me. I can know how to do. And your life, it will change for you. When you are coming to call dollar, let the cameraman take the dollar. If it is counterfeit, you yourself you will see. It is real money. Everybody to see. There's my branches on the screen. If you watch on the screen, you see the right my locations. The 419 malams in Ghana here, when they come on telly, you watch on the screen, they will not put their branches. They will tell you that if you need me, you call me. If you need me, you call, I will show you where I am. It means that when he collected your money, he will run away. He will not start at one place. So when you need money, watch on the screen, you see I have 2 branches in Ghana. Watch on the screen, you see my branches and come. I write all my branches. The real malams are writing their branches on the telly. The fake malams are not writing their names on the telly. So when you watch on the screen, you will see the chief of work for Tamale, Salaga, all the branches are on the screen. But those who are the TV people collecting their properties, when they come on telly, they will not write the location. They will just say that I have branch, I have branch. If you want, you call me. I will show you where I am. When you call him today, he will tell you say day Kumasi. When you call him tomorrow, he will tell you say day Takradi. When you call him today, he will tell you day Accra. That's the 419 Malam in Ghana. So if you want to see the real person, when he was playing program, just watch on the screen. You will see the person name. They write the branches where the person was. Even though the person do something bad to you, when you need the person, you can follow him back and go and see him there. But now the person did not put in branch. He will tell you that he did Kumasi or he did Accra. Before that you read, they will tell you to take car and come to Dodua. After you read those, they will tell you to come to car and come to Kokrobia. Which kind of human being is that? That's those who we are calling them 419 madam. They are the city people collecting people properties. They don't know how to do and help them. If you know that you need some help, You come to me and your life and your destiny will change for you. Who is holding the key for the money? Chief of Warfare, number 1. I am the only person holding the key for the dollars. If you need dollars, you run and come to me and your life and your destiny, it will change for you. I want the whole world to know. I want the whole world to see something. I want the whole world to know. Send me money like something. Man, my wife didn't brand me, so no, be a who say, it's not angry was killing me before that I did this work. Angry was not killing me. Those who angry was killing them. Angry was not killing me. If you need money, you run away and come to me, and your life and your destiny, it will change for you. Somebody will come and say that he was spoiling his brother. Just because of his brother was making money, you will just come and condemn the person. I know it's God who blessed me today and bless me tomorrow. If you want, mention my name on telly. I am 419.